to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Sky and my husband Chad and I own an online interior decor shop called House Holm. And over on this channel we love to share all things home, from DIYs to decor hauls, decorating ideas, and so much more. We are long overdue for a DIY on my channel, so today is the day. I am bringing you a very simple yet beautiful and affordable DIY. Recently, I saw Liz Marie share her beautiful aged terracotta pots, and it just made me wonder why I have never done this before. I am not a huge fan of the bright orange terracotta clay color, but I do love the material. So we are going to be doing a lime wash on some terracotta clay pots, and then I'm going to do some styling and show you guys how I'm going to be using them in our home. I hope you love this. It's going to be a very simple, sweet, and to the point tutorial. I'll be sharing the supplies that you'll need, as well as how to do this process so that you can get the finished look that you are trying to achieve. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this one, and please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more weekly videos. All right, friends, let's jump right into this DIY. The first thing that you're going to want to do is gather your supplies. So you'll need some terracotta pots, any size, some garden lime, a mixing bowl, paintbrush, and a poly clear coat if you want it. That's totally optional, and I ended up actually not using it. You'll want to make sure you prepare your workspace by putting either some cardboard or a tarp or something down, because this project gets a little messy. You will flip over your terracotta pots, make sure they're upside down on your workspace, and then mix 2 cups of garden lime with 2 cups of water. And after you do this, you want to make sure that you stir everything thoroughly. And the reason is because you want this mixture to become pretty thick. If you are putting it on really thin and the mixture is really watery, then you're going to probably need to come through with a couple of coats. Halfway through this project, I actually ended up adding some extra garden lime to my mixture because I noticed that a lot of the thickness was getting stuck at the bottom of my bowl. I also ended up bringing in a whisk at one point just to really try to mix it well. This is seriously the easiest project I have ever done, and I actually had some extra pots left over so that I can do this at another time as well. You're going to see here pretty soon how quickly these dry, which is the best part. Waiting for paint to dry is no fun, am I right? So I was just pleasantly surprised by how quickly you can see these just drying. Honestly, maybe 30 seconds, and I was able to add a second coat in some areas. You'll notice that you can kind of do this to your own preference. If you want to see some of the orange coming through, you can leave it that way. If you want them really thick and you don't want to see any of that peeking through the garden lime, then you can just keep coming through and adding more and more coats. That is it, friends. It is truly that simple. So here I am in our dining room. I decided to empty out my hutch and use the whole middle row to style some of my terracotta pots. I created a really simple, bright, airy, and fresh summery tablescape on my dining room table, and I just love how it turned out. It's definitely me, neutral, clean, crisp, and I'm so pleased with it. I hope that you'll give this DIY a try, and if you do, please let me know down in the comments below. Follow us over on Instagram if you aren't already. We are just at House Holm over there, and I would love to have you send me some pictures if you do this project. It is always so fun to see what you guys are doing in your home. Okay friends, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll see you in the next one.